In this video, we're going to learn the two ways of costing your recipes in meez: adding costs manually and linking to purchase items. Let's dive in. Here we are in a recipe. You'll see I have all my ingredients, and each of them have units of measure and quantities, and there's a yield for my recipe. Now let's click on the cost tab on the right. We can see our items that say cost not yet set. These are items we want to focus on. So let's click edit. And now we can see pencils appear next to all of our ingredients. When you see a pencil in meez, it means we can edit this further. All right, so we click the pencil, and here's where we can add a unit of measure of how we're buying it, as well as the cost. Meez has lots of case sizes already in the system. For instance, you can start typing 6/ and you'll see 6 number 10 cans show up. You can also type in any number and see options for count or for weight of those case sizes. Start typing in CS equals and you'll see a lot of case size options as well. When possible, try choosing a case size that's already in the system. Sometimes you won't find a case size that fits perfectly. No problem. Type in the case size and scroll down and see at the bottom, add new unit called. Now when we select that, we get a new screen. This is an important moment. What we want to do is tell meez the quantity and the unit of measure that defines this case. And you might think, well, it says it right there in the name, but unfortunately meez needs to know more specifically. The quantity in this example is 4.4, and the unit is kg, or kilograms. Depending on the item, the purchase unit could be in weight, it could be in volume, or each, or count. But you always want to make sure you keep the quantity and the unit separate. Once that case is defined, it's now part of your account, and the cost will now calculate. The last thing we need to do is add a cost for this unit. It's pretty simple. Just add the cost right there of how you're buying it. Click done, and we're all set. The important lesson here is if you buy an item by the case, we want to know the size of that case. It's not enough just to write case or bottle or pack. We need to know how many pounds, how many grams, how many fluid ounces, how many pieces are in that case. The second way of adding costs to your ingredients is by mapping them to purchase items. By using meez's invoice processing service, linking to an inventory management system, or uploading costs from a spreadsheet, you'll be able to link your ingredients to purchase items right in meez, costing out your recipes in just one step. Let's try it out. Okay, so we're back in a recipe, and we're going to click on a pencil next to an ingredient that says the cost is not yet set. Now, instead of adding this information manually like we did last time, we're going to just link to our uploaded items. So we're going to use this search bar, type in a keyword to locate the item, select the item from the dropdown, and we see now that the data just populates straight over. By the way, by doing that, it doesn't just cost this item in this recipe, it actually costs this item across any recipe in which it appears. So that's how to quickly cost any ingredient in meez. One last thing. When using meez's invoice processing service, linking to an inventory management system, or uploading costs from a spreadsheet, you can view all of your uploaded purchase items at once in the new purchase item table. Check out our video on how to use the new purchase item table to learn more information about this feature.